Rick Ross and Jazzma Kendrick attend the Miami Hurricanes season opener.
South Beach Brew, this is for my Canes fans. It's going down today. Us, the U versus Notre Dame. Y'all know how we gonna do them. We celebrating, we at home, we in Miami, South Beach Brew. Let's turn it all the way up. All my University of Miami fans, the U, let's go. 305, y'all know what we on.
Since he want to show off his watch, let me show off mine. Which watch is better?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
We on the field, baby. We on the field. She's so goddamn close to the field, they about to throw a flag. When it come to the U, when it come to wide receiver, great seven, playmaker, always repping, nothing but the U. You already know, fun out of that little building, baby.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.